Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to hide or remove Instagram Reels from your profile grid. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just go to your pre-installed Instagram app. As you open the app, click on your profile from the bottom right section, which shows you your profile picture. After going to your profile, just click on the reel that is already on your profile grid. After clicking on the reel, click on the three dots at the top right. As you do that, you will get an option that says remove from profile grid. If you click on this option, the reel will be removed from the profile and it will directly be shifted to the reel section that you can see here. But remember that if you do that, if you remove the reel from the profile grid and shift it to the reel section, you won't be able to put it back to your profile grid. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get all the latest notifications and updates. Thank you.